Has the Wi-Fi option disappeared in your Windows 11 PC? When you click on the Internet icon on the taskbar, there is no Wi-Fi icon. Also, when you open the settings, there is only the Ethernet option and no Wi-Fi option. In this video, you will see how to fix the no Wi-Fi option in Windows 11, only Ethernet. Restart Wi-Fi service. The first thing we should do is to check if the Wi-Fi service is running, and if it is already running, we are going to restart it. Press Windows plus R button, type services.msc, and hit enter. You will see all Windows services. Here, you need to locate the WLAN AutoConfig service. Double-click on it to open its properties. Check the status, is it running or not? If it is stopped, you should start it, and choose the start type as automatic. If it is already running, click on the stop button, then start it again. Now check if the Wi-Fi icon appears or not. If not, follow the next steps. Reset Advanced Internet Settings. Let's reset Advanced Internet Settings to restore the Wi-Fi option. Press Windows plus R button, type inetcpl.cpl, and hit enter. You will see the Internet Properties box. Go to the Advanced tab. Here you will see the Restore Advanced Settings. Click on it, then click Apply and OK to close the box. It will restore the advanced settings so that we can get the Wi-Fi option back. Restart Network Adapter. Sometimes the network adapter gets disabled or stopped abruptly, so we need to restart it. Press Windows plus R button and type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. You will see all the network connections. Here, locate the Wi-Fi adapter, and if it is already disabled, you should right-click on it and enable it. If it is enabled, right-click on it and choose Disable, then enable it again. Your Wi-Fi should start working. Check Wi-Fi in Device Manager. If even after following all the steps, Wi-Fi is not showing, we need to check it in the Device Manager and take some steps. Click on the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Click on it to open. On the Device Manager, expand the Network Adapters section. Then locate your Wi-Fi adapter. If you cannot find it here, right-click on Network Adapters and select Scan for hardware changes. Do it a few times and your adapter will appear. If it is still not appearing, you should restart your PC. Once you find it, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Here, select Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list. Here you will see a few versions of the driver. Select the previous version driver and click Next. Once the installation is finished, restart your PC and check if the Wi-Fi icon is showing. If not, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. In here, go to the Power Management tab and check the option. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. If this option is selected, deselect it and click OK. If even this option doesn't do anything, right-click on it and select Disable Device, and then enable it again and see if the Wi-Fi is working or not. If not, we will uninstall the device, right-click, and select Uninstall Device. In here, make sure this option, Attempt to remove the driver for this device, is not selected. Then click on the Uninstall button. After the uninstallation, restart your PC. Now open the Device Manager again, and you will see the Wi-Fi adapter. If it is not appearing, scan for hardware changes. Now check if the Wi-Fi option is back or not. Reset network. If the Wi-Fi issue is still not resolved, we will reset the network. Click on the Start menu and search for Network Reset. Open it. You will see a message that this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and reset other network components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software. Click on the Reset Now button and then click Yes. Now restart your PC. After the restart, the Wi-Fi option should appear. If it is still not visible, we need to use the command prompt to reset Winsock. Click on the Start menu, type CMD, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes in the UAC pop-up. Now, in the command prompt, type net shintip reset and hit Enter. Then type net sh winsock reset and hit the Enter button. Now restart your PC and it will definitely solve the no Wi-Fi option in Windows 11.